In this video, we'll be converting from Torr to PSI. The question says, a submarine can withstand a great amount of pressure. If the reading is 6,913 Torr, how many PSI would that be? First, we need to know the relationship between Torr and PSI. And we know that for every 1 PSI, that is going to be equal to 51.7 Torr. Now let's turn this into fractions to help us solve this question. So for every 1 PSI, I'm going to have 51.7 Torr, or I'm going to have 51.7 Torr for every 1 PSI. Now since I'm going from Torr to PSI, I want to have PSI on top and Torr on bottom. So I'm going to use this equation, or this fraction, on the left. Now let's use the information from the question to solve. So I start off with my 6,913 Torr. Next I'm going to use my fraction. So every 1 PSI is going to be 51.7 Torr. Now I can go ahead and solve this question. So I'm going to multiply my tops together first. So 6,913 times 1 is just 6,913. Next I have to multiply my units, so I have my Torr times my PSI. Then on the bottom, I just have my 51.7 Torr. Now since I have Torr on the top and the bottom, those are going to cancel, leaving me only with PSI. Next I have 6,913 divided by 51.7. And this comes out to be 133.7 PSI. So now we know that 6,913 Torr is equal to 133.7 PSI. And that is how you convert from Torr to PSI.